Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable notification dots on your Samsung or Google Pixel Android phone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is scroll up on the home screen and select the Setting Gear button. And then you want to select the Notifications button on this page. Scroll down near the bottom where it says notification dot on app icon. If you want to disable that, just click inside the oval one time. Otherwise, you can click inside here one time until it's lit up blue, meaning it is enabled. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.